Hello everyone, my name is Minakshi. I am working as a Urdu developer at iNome ERP. Today I am going to explain my module Campus Service, Campus 360 integration module. Most of its functionality comes from the dependent module admission, academic fee, library, hostel, transport, LMS certificate. Therefore, I can accurately explain what is the module does, how each menu works, how to test it, why it is useful, and its business value. INOM University Campus Service. Basically, INOM University Campus Service is a centralized module 360 solution for Urdu that provides student, faculty members, and university administrator with a unified view of all important campus information. Instead of opening multiple modules such as admission, academic fees, library, hostel, transport, and LMS individually, user can access all initial information from a single dashboard. The module acts as an integration layer that collects data from different university management module and present it in one place through an easy to use interface. This improves productivity, reduces navigation time, and provides a better digital experience for student, faculty, and administrator staff. The module provides a campus 360-degree dashboard. It combines information from multiple university departments into one centralized portal. It displays student profile, academic information, attendance, semester details, GPA, CGPA, outstanding fee, library books, hostel information, transport route, LMS assignment, upcoming exam, faculty work space, quick navigation link. Instead of checking each department separately, user can access everything from one dashboard. University generally maintain different system for different department. For example, admission department, academic department, finance department, library, hostel, transport, learning management system. Student and faculty often spend time moving between multiple menus just to find information. This module solved that problem by creating a single campus services dashboard where all information is available instantly. Basically, the objective of this module is improve student experience, simply faculty operation, reduce administrator work, centralize campus information, improve communication, increase operation efficiency. Now I am going to explain my module functionality step by step. Now I am going to explain my module functionality step by step. First of all, you have to install INOM 360 module. Now you can see university menu are visible on my screen. Click on university. Here it is, you can see various type of menus are visible on my screen: student, admission, faculty, masters, reporting, fee, academics, library, hostel, transport, LMS certificate, campus 360 portal configuration. In this menu, sub-menus are also visible on my screen: admission, dashboard, analyze and report, pipeline, applicant offer, condition, round, squad, seat allocation, faculty and staff, masters, program, batches, semester, section, subject, elevated group, reporting, student, analytic, faculty, analytics, audit, log, fees, invoices, generate invoice, installment, plan, refund, request, fee waiver, academic syllabus, lessons, plans, course outcomes, library, books issue book return, hostel, allotment, bad transfers, transport. You can see subscription, new subscription, routes, stop vehicles, drivers, LMS certificate, campus 360 portal configurations, faculty, school, and department. Now click on student. Here, click on student. Now here you can see different type of student list are visible on my screen: Priya Nair, Rahul Mehta, Priya Joshi, yes, Banerjee. Now click on admission, then click on pipeline. Here you can see in inquiry pipeline, you can see Various type of students are visible. Vihan Chopra application submit, no students are visible. Document verification, few students are visible on my screen. Vivan Saxena, Isha Joshi, Varun Khan. Merit entrance and offer and admission fee, you can see Riya Bose, Priya Joshi, Arjun Reddy, and here it is, a different type of students are visible on my screen. Then click on pipeline, then click on new. Now it is the form of in this form you can see applicant name, programs, admission round, quota, category, applied on, source, and various different types of tabs are visible on my screen. Documents, merit, entrance, offer, parent, guardian, condition. Now click on applicant name. Program, you can select various type of program from this drop down menu. Applicant name, student name. Program, you can select according to you. BTech Computer Science. Admission round, admission 2026. Quota, you can select according to your quota. General category, applied on July 27. Source other. Merit score, document verification, document complete, offer state. Here it is, various type of fields are visible on my screen. Fee structure, and on personal tab you can fill email, phone number of student, mobile, sorry for my mistake, mobile, gender, date of birth, blood group, then address, city, state, you can choose according to you, zip, country, nationality, and click on save manually. Now this form is saved. All information should match the record stored in the corresponding university module. Now click on documents. You can see document type, 10th mark sheet, migration test certificate, mandatory, status, awaiting upload, rejection, reason. Now click on merit entrance, offers, parents and guardian. Father's name, father's phone name, father's email, if father's emails is available or not, father occupation, guardian name, guardian relationship, with candidate, guardian occupation. Now click on save manually. Now here it is, various type of buttons, smart buttons are available. Assign required documents, start verification, issue offer, issue conditional offer, enroll as a student, reject. Now click on enroll as a student. Invalid operation. Now you can see cannot enroll Rahul yet, still required an accepted offer, a fully verified document checklist. Close. Now click on admission pipeline. Now you can see on inquiry pipeline here, new students are visible on my screen. This is Rahul, app 2026-0030. Now click on this. The form is open. Now click on admission. Here you can see applicants, inquiry, application, submit, document verification, merit entrance, offers, admissions fee. Now click on offers. Here you can see various different type of offers are available on my screen. Now you can see, click on Arjun Reddy. Offer to 2026-000010, applicant Arjun Reddy, BTech Computer Science, admission issued, valid, accepted on admission fee terms. Now click on new, applicant Rahul, program computer science. Now you can see on selection of Rahul, the automatically field are automatically filled. Now click on Rahul. Now you can see program round, valid on, accepted on. Click on save manually, then click on send offer. Here you can see on the right hand side the chatter are visible on my screen. Dear Rahul, congratulations, we are pleased to offer you provisional admission to BTech Computer Science. We reference offer 2026-000012. Please accept the offer and complete the admission fee from your portal before 2026-803. Regards, admission office. Now click on admission. You can see seat allocations. Then click on pipeline stages. Now you can see different type of pipelines are visible on my screen. Stage draft, inquiry, application, submitted, document verification. Now click on faculty, then click on faculty and staff. Here you can see different type of faculty code, name, designation, department, staff type, subject, campus. uh, Faculty code FAC014, name Dr. Dhruv Khan, designation assistant professor, department English and communication, staff type teaching, subject 0, campus. Now click on this. You can see Dr. Dhruv Khan form are visible on my screen. Department English and Communication, faculty, designation, staff, teaching, qualification, experience, joining, gender, campus. Now you can also create new faculty and staff according to you. Then click on master. Here you can see programs, batches, semester, section, subject, elective groups. Some menu are visible on my screen. Then click on program. Here you can see different types of program are visible on my screen. BT CSE, BT CSE, BBA, MT CSE, MBA. Name BTech Computer Science, degree type undergraduate, department Computer Science and Engineering, duration 4 year, total seat 8, student 15. Now click on this. Here you can see code, degree type, different department, duration, total semester, campus fields are visible on my screen. Batches, with code semester SAM 1, BTCSE S1, BTCSE S2 subjects, BTCSE subject 1, BTCSE subject 2, BTCSE subject 3, required documents, 10th mark sheet, migration certificate, description. Now you can also create, sorry for my mistake. Now you can also create new program on clicking on new. In this, you can fill a name, code, degree type, department, duration, total semester, campus, batches, semesters, subjects, required documents, description. Now click on batches. Now click on semester. You can see semesters are visible on my screen with code and semester name and program. Uh, First SEM 1, name semester 1, program BTech Computer Science and Engineering. You can also create semester on clicking on new. On this, you can type name, code, sequence, program, and section. In section tab, you can select code, name, and batch capacity. Now I open SEM 1 semester 1. Here you can see semester 1 code SCM 1, program BTech Computer Science and Computer Science and Engineering, sequence 1, code SECA section A, batch 224 to 2028 CSC, capacity 60. Now click on section. Here you can see code BBA S1A, name BBA S1 section A, batch, semester, programs. Now you can also create new section on clicking on new. On fill this form, name, code, batch, semester. Now click on subjects. Here you can see different types of subject are visible on my screen. Now first one is BT CSC subject 1, engineering mathematics, BTech computer science and computer engineering, subject 4 code, credit hours 3. Now click on this. The form is open, name engineering mathematics, code BT CSC subject 1, program computers BTech computer science, subject core, credit hours 3. You can also create new subject on clicking on new. Now click on reporting. Here you can see three types of menu are visible: student analyze, faculty analyze, audit log. Now click on fee menu. Here it is. Some menu are visible on my screen: fee structure, invoice, generated invoice, in installment plans, refund request, fee waivers, schemes, award. Now click on fee structure. You can see in fee structure, BTech CSC fee structure 2022 program, BTech Computer Science Engineering student, all category, net payable 77,000, status confirmed. On click on this. Now I'm click on this, name BTech, code program BTech Computer Science, batch, you can select batch, semester, academic section, quota, you can select quota according to you. Then click on save manually. Now click on add a line. Sorry for my mistake. BTech code program batch add a line, amount, discount. Now you can see net amount are show on my screen. Amount 15, discount 10%. Now total amount is 1500, 15,000. Sorry for my mistake. Then select uh, examination fee. Then click on. Now you can choose library fee. Then click on sports and amenity fees. Now save manually. Then confirm. The state is changed draft to confirmed. Click on fee structure. Now you can see open to this BT CSC fee structure, tuition fee, examination fee, library fee, lab fee, deposit 50%, open, deposit 50%, then click on invoices. Here you can see various type of invoices are visible on my screen. Reference, student, program, total, paid, residual. On clicking on this, the form is open with the student name, student Vihan, program, semester, academic section, fee structure, total, paid, residual, scholarship. You can also create new according to you. Ananya Verma. Then click on generate invoice. Fee structure, due date. Now you can see invoice date, due date, total. On click on installment plans. Here you can see reference student Vihan Verma, fee invoice, frequency. On clicking on this, EMI 2026-0001 fee invoice, student Vihan, due date, paid. On clicking on this, mark paid, this paid, and September 27, this amount is pending. Now click on mark paid, the amount is paid. Then click on fee. You can see fee waivers. Then click on fee collection. Now click on academics. Here you can see syllabus, lessons plans, course outcomes menu are visible. You can create new syllabus according to you. Then click on lessons plan. Then click on course outcomes. Now click on library. Here you can see circulation, book issue, issue book, return book, reservation, fines menu are visible on my screen. On open this. Now here you can see copy introduction to algorithm, book name, introduction to algorithm, member Aditya Menon, issued July 2019, due date August, return July 20, renewal 0, fine no, and the status of this book is returned. Then click on issue book, member send copy bar, then click issue. No copy with barcode 3445. You can select actual code, then click on return book, scan, enter, copy barcode, then return. Click on return. Then click on fines, no fines. Then click on authors. Here you can see different type of authors are visible on my screen. Then click on publishers. Here you can see different type of publisher are also visible on my screen. You can also create new publisher on clicking on new. Fine rules, standard overdue fine per day 2 rupees. Then click on hostel. Here you can see allotments. Open this. Now here you can see HSTA 2026 00020 student Sara Verma, hostel Kalpana Chawla. You can also select hostel according to you. When the student is Kalpana Chawla hostel, Vivekanand hostel, hostel fee, security deposit, hostel fee head. Then click on allot. Select a bed to allot. You can also create bed. Status is available. Hostel Aryabhat hostel. Then click on save. Then click on save manually. Then click on allot. The status is change allotted. Now you can see on the right hand side the chatter box are show applied to allotted. Click on check in. The status is change allotted to check in. Request checkout. The status is change check in to checkout requested. Settle deposit. The status is change checkout to deposit settled. Now click on hostel. Now you can see three types of hostels are visible on my screen. Hostel Aryabhat hostel, Kalpana Chawla hostel, Vivekanand hostel. Type boys, girls, boys. Floors, you can see different type of floors are available on my screen. Rooms, here room number A 101, hostel Aryabhat hostel floor Aryabhat block A floor 1 capacity 3 occupied 0 available 4. On click on this, the form is open. 10 bed number 103 available, A101 B1 available. The status is available. You can also create new room number, floor occupied, valid, and click on save. Then click on generate beds. Now click on beds. Here you can see different types of beds are visible on my screen. You can also create new bed on clicking on new. Attendance, complaints, either on this sites, complaint subject, complaint student, category, priority. You can select a priority according to you. In progress, the status is change resolved. In progress, resolved. You can also create new complaint on clicking on new. On click on transport, here you can see subscription, new subscription. Click on subscription. Here pass number, student, route, stop. Click on this. You can see student Varun Banerjee, route number east, support line, stop east, stop to fee invoice valid from July 20, valid to. then click on save, then click on add fee, configure a fee head on the root. Now you can uh, create new, clicking on new. Here network, clicking on routes, you can see different type of route are visible on my screen: airport, shuttle, city center express, east loop line, north campus loop. You can also create a new route on clicking on new. Stop, here you can see different types of are its stops are created on my screen. You can also create new stops, clicking on new. Here you can see different vehicles are available on my screen: HR26A1000, registration number, type bus, sittings 30, driver 01. You can also create new vehicle on clicking on new. Drivers, here you can see driver 01, role driver, on clicking on this. Phone number, you can add phone number, license number. On clicking on LMS, you can select assignments here: title, subjects, due date, maximum. On clicking on this, title software engineering assignment, subject software engineering, faculty Dr. Rahul Das, assignment on July 20, due date August 6, maximum marks 20, allow late submission, graded 4. You can also attach file from this. You can also create new assignment according to, on clicking on new. Here you can see study materials are also visible on my screen: engineering mathematics notes, subject type. Open this. Here you can see on this form, title engineering, subject faculty Dr. Rakesh Khan. Click on this. Dr. Rakesh Khan, form are visible on my screen: department computer science, faculty school of engineering, professor, technician type. You can choose technician according to you. Staff type, teaching qualification, experience, joining, gender, campus. On clicking on campus, here you can see on cards different types of students are visible on my screen: Priya Nayar, Rahul Mehta, Priya Joshi, Yash Banerjee, Ananya Verma, Sara Saxena, Isha Verma, Kabir Gupta, Aman Banerjee. On this, click on faculty school. You can see code, name, department. Here you can see different type of departments are visible on my screen: PH, code PHY, name physics, faculty school of basic and applied science, head of department Dr. Kabir Rao. Now click on this. You can also check head of department profile on clicking on this. Module functionality step by step. Now key features: the campus 360 dashboard, student self-service portal, faculty teaching workshop, attendance overview, outstanding fee tracking, library borrow book summary, hostel informations, transport road information, LMS assignment tracking. Now, business benefits of this module: centralize information from multiple university department, reduce the time required to search for student information, improve collaboration between academic and the administration team, enhance the digital experience for student and faculty, eliminates repetitive navigation across different modules, increase staff productivity, improve operational efficiency, support faster academic and administrative decision making, why should a university purchase this module? It provides a single 360-degree dashboard for every student. It improves the overall campus digital experience. It integrates seamlessly with exciting university management module. It reduces manual efforts and administration workload. It gives the student instant access to their academic and campus information. It improves communication between the student and the university. It takes time by presenting all critical information in one place. I one place. It enhance institutional productivity without replacing existing system. Now this is the overall functionality of my module. You can purchase this module from Odoo app. Search inom 360 360 service module, then purchase this module. Thank you.